Bird up.
Bird up.
Bird up.
Bird up. It is time for some breakfast. What's your comprehensive food review? Right now, of your egg with salsa.
My omelet with salsa and cheese.
And
multitude of grapes.
Side of grapes with the chocolate milk.
I give this meal 7. Omelet's good for a hotel omelet.
So you're saying this is on par with pizza, with mall pizza?
Yes, I agree with that statement.
Oh. Bow? Train time, baby. We're gonna go see Mr. President today. We're gonna make our way to have a word with Donald. We in the big city now, and we're observing that the city we come from is like a discounted version of this. Our city's a phony city, while this is a legitimate city. Sam completed the look with the map, and we're just trying to find our way through urban neighborhood. We were told to stay on the right side of the escalator, left side of the escalator, one of the sides, and because we're not from here, so that's the way we're gonna survive here. That's a big old house right there, and I guess we're walking towards it. What are y'all thinking about being on government land, district area stuff?
I hope they'll invite us. Like I hope we aren't intruding. You know, if we didn't invite ourselves over into their house.
This is a house, but there's a lot of security around here for strangers, and I don't know why.
Over there.
We have a theory that the people in this house are pretty famous, but
yeah, I think they might be celebrities. Do you think it would be Bill Cosby?
Wasn't he the mayor of California for a moment?
Maybe. I thought that was Arnold.
No, definitely not Arnold. No.
I almost got ran over.
By this car right here. We'll start right now. This car's running over people at the
Famous person.
the famous
Famous person.
This is the house. This is where laws are. They're invading! Oh my god! Oh gosh! Oh man. These are pretty cool planes. And then there's that big old foil. Touch it together.
I'll touch it. Can I touch it with y'all?
Yes.
It just feels like paper.
We all just eroded it. Everyone touches this.
Guys, I found the Earth.
Yeah. This is what you're doing with the moon? Return to Earth. Look at that.
Explore other planets.
Oh my god.
I want to go to the sun.
Sun time.
SDO.
There's a big old rover, man.
Here, I'll be your scale. Look.
A rover is about 1.5 Sam's tall, so. Me and Sam are having a bad time with these short rovers.
Yeah.
Pretty cool guy. That's a pretty good guy.
Going to the moon.
Taking a fat rib.
He's getting that seed. Bird up.
Bird up.
Bird up.
Bird up.
This is Alfred Hitchcock.
These birds are teaming up.
When I was a kid.
We went to we were at the Space Museum, now we're at the Art Museum, and there's Sam on a column. What do you mean, Sam? Sam, you can't just be chasing tourists. So I didn't pick up the name of the chicken place that we're eating at right now, but we got chicken. I got chicken tenders and Sam got a, what is that?
Lamb shawarma.
What is your comprehensive review on lamb shawarma?
It's got a nice ranch to it. There's ranch inside, and there's lettuce, and there's a tortilla. There's some tomatoes too, and there's lamb. That's pretty good. I give it a 9. But the service was not great. That's like a 3.
Dang.
Because he was just like.
You see that line though? You see all those people over there right now?
Yeah, he wasn't going through it fast. He wasn't being efficient with his time.
We're eating in front of this monument, this weird tower right here that Spider-Man was on. It was the set piece for that Spider-Man movie. I'm sitting out on the lawn and it's only 11 o'clock now. Not 11. It's 12:40 and I'm realizing it's gonna be a long day. Sam. Oh my gosh, there's a plane about to hit the tower.
Oh, that's a big explosion.
It smells like dead in here. Very distinct dead smell. This is New Zealand has monsters like this. You see how big this crab is? That's my hand. It's like bigger than my hand. This thing. Look at his little beady eyes. I don't like it.
What are you doing?
What?
What?
It's pickle.
It's a pickle.
On the wall. That's a pretty big leap. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh no. Oh no. No. No way. No way.
That ain't it.
Hello.
That's a pretty cool disco ball.
It's a big old ball.
He's big old boy.
Dinosaur.
Yeah.
This guy don't stand right.
No, look at him. He stands it up.
Guy in our back, yeah.
I love DC. Alright, so me and Logan are kind of dying right now. We've been walking. We were free to go at 10 a.m. and now it's 3 p.m. We've been walking through museums and for 5 hours. Okay, we're tired. And now we made it to the Abraham Lincoln thing, and there's a lot of stairs. You see how many stairs there are?
There's so many stairs. There's so many stairs. Christian's doing a thing. I'm recording right now.
So that's Lincoln, and there's a sign. Are you gonna focus? Yeah. Our time to go. So we're making our way to your red. So today was a day. Bow?
They'll know the combination since you put it on video, Christian.
Uh-oh. So I'm burnt, Sam's burnt, Logan isn't burnt, but So today we did all that walking, we did all that singing, we saw the things, and now it's over. Tomorrow we're gonna do like 5 hours of driving, so I don't know what action-packed vlog we're gonna get tomorrow. A comprehensive Lego review, but I don't know what else. Alright guys, I got the UT fit because this is my school. This is the place that's taking my money. This is the place you can buy into if you have enough money. The shot of the day will be going to all the birds in the local DC area for doing their thing and picking up all of the human food that we don't want. So bird up. All right, so I guess we'll see you tomorrow. The trio here, me, Sam, and Logan. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow as we drive 5 hours and play some DS. But I'm glad to announce we can take one of the checks off that objective list. Do an outdated meme in front of the Abraham Lincoln statue. So today was an epic one. We will see y'all tomorrow morning with breakfast and a date. So all right, goodbye. What the hell did you take that off? Hello, Sam.
Bazinga.
That's it?
Yeah.